video, I am going to show you how I created this cool animation on Alight Motion. It doesn't feel difficult to create, right? By the end of this video, you'll be able to create it in a few minutes. All you need is just an icon, like Google Photos or Chrome, and some shapes. Make sure you have the Alight Motion app installed on your device. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. First, let's add a rectangle shape and stretch it to fill the composition area. I am going to bring out my color palette. If you don't know where to get one, I will drop a link in the description to the website that has a wide range of color palettes you can choose from and use. So I am going to change the rectangle shape's color to a linear gradient. Now watch carefully. Let me remove the color palette, it's no longer needed. And let me just adjust the gradients a little bit more. Next, I am going to add a rounded rectangle shape. I will grab the color picker and pick this color. Let me modify it. Now, I'm going to add the Google Gemini icon, which is Google's AI model tool. I will reduce the size a bit. This is perfect. You can use any icon of any brand or company you want. Let's start animating. Go to the position of the Google Gemini icon. Add a keyframe at the beginning and add a keyframe at the point I marked. Go back to the first keyframe and drag it down until it isn't visible anymore. Let's make this type of graph. This makes the icon bouncing like it's wiggling. Let's copy the graph because we are going to need it later. Go to the rounded rectangle shape and move over to the edit section. Add similar keyframes like we did for the Gemini icon. Go back to the first keyframe and reduce the width to 0. Then paste the graph we copied. Let's take a look at what we just did. This is actually going as planned. Now let's go over to this point and add a keyframe for the rounded rectangle shape. Increase the width like this. And paste the graph we copied. Then it creates this wiggling effect when it stretches. At this point, let's add a position keyframe and move the Gemini icon to the left end of the rounded rectangle shape and paste the graph. This makes both correspond with each other. Let's add text and type in Gemini. Increase the size. You can change the font to anyone you like and change the color of the text to white. Move the text layer to this point. Add to position keyframe. And at the first keyframe, move the text to the right a little and paste the graph. This is actually cool. Look at how easy it is. Let's trim all the layers to this point. Now, let's duplicate the rounded rectangle shape and move it to the top. Make sure it covers all the layers. Now, select the layer with the text and the Google Gemini icon and make them a group mask. Now, everything happens inside the rounded rectangle shape. Go to this rounded rectangle shape layer and enable the stroke. I am going to use the color picker to select the background color. Wow, what a blast! We are done creating whatever you call it, this cool animation on Alight Motion. At first glance, it might look a bit difficult to create, but after watching the full process, it looks way easier than you think, right? So comment with your thoughts about this animation below. If this tutorial was worth watching, why not give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. More cool animation tutorials are coming soon. Thanks for watching.